What's going on, builders? Today we're going to be building the 25th anniversary LEGO Star Wars Imperial Dropship vs. Rebel Speeder. It has 383 pieces and 7 minifigures. Let's crack right into it. Now here is the Rebel Speeder. Kind of small, but it works out for what it is. Got a movable gun. Other than that, nothing much. Let's go look at the other ship. Next up we have the Imperial Dropper. There isn't much to this ship as well. Just some nice stickers, a little cockpit. The only real play feature this thing has is that the E-boosters on the back can tilt up and down for the landing position. Let's go put this on the shelf now and see how they all look.